What I think is most important is that we are working with students who come from all different walks of life. And they all come here to take the next step in their career and move forward into a new direction.
CIFE attracts students who have a very international outlook, and that means that it has a capacity to be innovative and to be creative. And what I have found in the time that I've been with CIFE is that in addition or in parallel to pursuing a high level of academic studies, CIFE has also introduced my module, which has to do with employability. And so in my module we do projects which give the students the kind of experience that they will later have in the workplace. So that means that when they go to apply for posts as interns or even as full-time professional posts, they already have a certain amount of professional experiences through the exercises and the projects that we do. And I think, as well as giving them know-how and competences about what it's like to work for an MEP or an ambassador or a commissioner, as well as having these competences, I think they also have a sense of confidence that when they do go into the workplace and have to present themselves, that I think and I hope that they have this confidence that maybe students in other places don't have.
It's kind of a team building in the beginning, because if you come from different backgrounds and you are new in a new environment, you perceive yourself differently because you look at yourself maybe through the eyes of the others. A willingness to accept differences and don't perceive differences as a barrier, but something that you can use to create something together. And I think in the European world and in the world as a whole, this ability is very important, and if we can influence them and that they take a little bit from that into their working life, we'll have a change in the world.